magtanong tayo dyan sa banda doon. Pagka may magpagtatanong.
It's not the hardest thing to do. How can I question you? Throw my life into
Doon pa yung Songkil. Ay, Dalonggit. Yun nga doon pa, banda doon. Papasok pa lang doon sa Dalonggit. Sentro, ibig sabihin sa gitna. Sa gitna siya, malapit sa it's either before the school or after. Pwedeng magtanong?
Inayos ako na din po ito na ito.
Single lang dyan. Salamat.
It's not the hardest thing. I'll do this. Will be over soon. Keep me close as I'm lost amongst the fray. Will these changes make me strong? Your grace makes all things possible. Life has brought me to my knees. God of heaven, please believe. I'll do what you ask of me.
Eskwelaan mo na eh. Dalonggit. Diretso mo lang, wala pa.
I have searched many years on end.
Parang pato na malaki.
There
Pabo,
was
ganso.
none
Siya masibag ganso, may ando keso. Magluto.
depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence.
Pwede na tayong magtanong dito kung may pagtatanungan. Lapit na
In His
dito.
name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find,
Ayan. Ano pa
in
rin?
His name I find, in His
meron
name
na
I
sukil.
find
Abong
the
na
joy I see.
Fortunato Villanueva? Fortunato Villanueva. Inaray, alagpasan nila? Baptist Church. Ay, salamat. Alagpasan na.
Many years
Ikot na lang.
on end. There
Huwag
was no
ipidasa dyan eh.
that my soul could depend.
Kailangan pang
My soul
silang.
cries
Tingnan
out
ko na lang dito.
for your
Pas kami.
presence in here.
Sige pa. Sige pa. Oh, sige, kabi. Ano na?
Very hour, for your presence in here.
Hop. Yeah. Go.
In His name I find, in His name I find,
nakita kong church dyan eh.
In His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek.
Aalalay mo dito kasi may church na nakita po dyan.
I am
Ito, church yan. Oh.
free
Baka dito yung sinasabi.
from the chain that
Itanong na lang natin.
has
Para
bound.
hindi na tayo. Huwag mo nang ano. Huwag mo ipasok.
I am